Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to change the default keyboard on Android. Now before I begin guys, ensure that you watch the video to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. And if you find the video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin. Open your phone settings and if I click on search, you will see my keyboard. My keyboard is red and black. Now I want to change this to a default keyboard. Now you will scroll down on your phone settings and click System and Updates. Then click Language and Input. Now here is where you can change default keyboard. Now just click Default Keyboard and we will see various options. Now if you want to change to default, you will click Microsoft Swift key and your keyboard will be changed to default. Now if you go back and confirm, it's another keyboard. Guys, that's how to change default keyboard on Android. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.